G'day! In today's video I've got the Poco X3 NFC model, and in this I am wanting to unlock the bootloader. So with that I'm going to have to put my SIM card in there and then pair it to my Me account, I believe it's called. It's been a while since I've had to unlock a bootloader on a phone, or at least on a Xiaomi phone. So what we're going to do is put a SIM card in there, wait till we get service up the top here, which we now do, and from here, if I can remember correctly, and I am running in 120 Hz, which I'm definitely liking. I want to sign into my Me account. So this is a requirement to be able to actually unlock your bootloader. Without a Me account, you will not be able to do anything. Just playing the waiting game. I'm going to enter my credentials in here. Don't bother entering them yourself, because I don't think they'll work for you. Now I need to remember my password. 1 second. Been quite a while since I've signed into my Me account, so hopefully I'll get this right. There we go. So I had to hit it twice after I entered my password to get in. Right now it's wanting permission to make a phone call. For the hell of it, I'll just go yes to this. Mainly because at this point in time the phone's going to get wiped once it's done anyway. Sync on, find my phone, continue. I do believe with those enabled, it is able to... With those enabled, it will unlock your bootloader quicker, I believe, because you have to actually request permission. So, with this like that, activating SIM card. So personally, if I was going to leave the phone as it is, without wiping it, I probably would have said no to all those permissions that were just requested. Now, where am I going to go to? Devices. Probably show my other devices, or at least ones I've activated in the past. Anyway, I'm going to go back. I want to go into About Phone, and I want to enable developer options. I just need to remember where I do that. There we go. So tap on MIUI version. There we go, now developer. I'm going to go back, I want to scroll down and go to additional settings. Developer mode, or developer options are now listed. Click on that. I want to go OEM unlocking, allow the bootloader to be unlocked. Yes. Warning, device protection features will not work on this device with this setting turned on. Enable. So I don't care, it's going to get wiped in hopefully soon. And now we need to go to the MIUI unlock status. I'm also going to turn off auto update and go here. Permission required. The Me unlock needs to access your Me account, CPU ID, IMEI, IMSI to work normally. I've got to go agree to that. And now I want to go add account and device. So yeah, so basically the steps we've done: make sure your SIM card's inserted, turn off Wi-Fi, tap add account, download the unlock tool from Xiaomi. So that's the next step we will be doing. So I'm going to go add, It's telling me to turn off Wi-Fi. Which I've just done. Back. Add account and device. Preparing to add account and device. Added successfully. MiI account is associated with this device. So what I'm going to do from here is I'm going to restart this. And then I'm going to grab my laptop and download the Mi Unlock tool. So we'll start up my laptop and we'll angle that so you'll be able to see it in just a second. First of all, I'm also going to get out of the box the charger cable. So now I've got my original charger cable, which is that pinky orange. I'll plug that into the phone and then go to the laptop. So lucky for you guys, I go into incognito, go to here and go to the Mi Unlock tool. So I'm going to go to here, apply for permission, download Mi Unlock tool, which should be downloading. No, it doesn't want to do it. So I'll do that a different way. I'm going to load up Microsoft Edge instead of Chrome. Just curious if incognito mode is stopping it. So it looked like it did, as we're downloading now just fine. Show folder. Extract to here. There we go. Now I'm just going to go to Mi Flash Unlock here. Agree. And now this is also going to want my details entered in. There we go. You need to check whether or not your identity is right, so I'm going to go send message. This phone here should get a code. There we go. We got 069829. Submit. Checking if your account has permissions. No phone connected. So right now we need to boot it into fast boot mode, I believe. So we'll just plug it in to begin with just to see what will happen. So I'll just plug the Xiaomi in. As you can see down here, detecting Poco phone. We're getting a whole lot of nothing. So I'm going to switch this off. And I believe it's volume up we have to hold. So I'm going to hold, volume down. Volume down, power. Didn't even press power. So with the cord plugged in, I held volume down, and now it's starting to load fast boot mode. Now, we haven't detected it properly here, so I'm just going to unplug it, plug it back in. And nothing. So what I'm going to do, click this button to install the driver. So I'm going to go, so I'm clicking up on the cog up here. Clicking on the cog, clicking check, driver install. Yes. Yes. So I'm going to unplug it and plug back in the phone. Sorry about the blurry mess just there. There we go. Minimize. Driver installed. Close. And from here, I'm going to click unlock. So right now it will erase anything that's on the phone, which at the moment it's a fresh phone to me, so I don't really care. So I'm going to go unlock. Unlock the phone will erase all phone data. Yes, go ahead. An unlocked device is an easy target for malware, which may damage your device or cause financial loss. Unlock anyway. And now we're verifying. Now, usually it fails, or at least I'm accustomed to it failing. There we go. This is also expected right now. So it's got, please unlock 168 hours later. And do not add your account in MIUI again, otherwise you'll have to wait from scratch. Which is very weird writing, or very weird statement. But anyway, I'm going to play the waiting game. And I'll see you guys in probably about 5 seconds. But for me, it's going to be about 168 hours. Catch us later. So it's now been a week in the real world. Let's proceed. So I've got the Poco X3 into fast boot mode again. And let's see how long Xiaomi reckons I'm going to have to wait. Unlock. Unlock anyway. I don't care, just unlock it. Bingo. That's exactly where I want it. We've now got a picture of a padlock up the top here, signifying the bootloader's been unlocked. And now it's just wiping itself. Excellent. So from here I'll be able to install recovery, and then I'll be able to put on my custom ROM. So right now we have one bootloader successfully unlocked.